Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into Oppo A96. Firstly, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now we got 2 block numbers, so for unlocking, for example, this last one number, click here on the cross to right side and tap unblock one more time to confirm. And we got success message, so maybe let's try again this number and tap here on the right side. And confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.